Hey guys, welcome back, and today I will be filming myself having hiccups. And wait, it might come up. Yeah, there, look at my neck. Look how it does when it comes up. Watch, it will come up. Did you see that? So, that's how hiccups work. They're really random, and you just get them automatically. So you don't just get them like when you want them, you get them when you have them. Because if you want them, you won't get them. I never wanted hiccups, but it just happens. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like in the comments below and subscribe to my channel. And leave a like on this video. And that's all for now. Goodbye!